Hello everyone, welcome to this qsprite tutorial. Yay! Okay, to start off, always make sure Q+, cube movement, then qsprite, or the walking sprites will not work correctly. I've run into this before, it's very annoying. It took me about a week to figure it out because I was like, wait a minute. Oh, it's supposed to go above qsprite, not below. But yeah, next we're going to be talking about qsprite itself. So as you see, there's different columns and rows that have different sprite directions and stuff. So what you want to do, you have to put them into columns and rows depending on how many rows and columns there are. And then you make poses, walking animations, idle animations, default, sprite, stuff like that. It's very simple to do, and it's really easy to understand. Just remember to put cube movement above qsprite, or else it will not work right in the way it should be intended to work. Lastly, here's an example of what I did in my game, Ruin Seasons. What I did is I got the heroes' animations to all be the same, in the same index. The male, the female, and the non-binary characters will all have the same index, just different looks of sprites. And as you see in the video, since I'm not recording it live, literally it just shows in different directions. And then later on I'm planning on putting poses in for fighting, thinking poses, and other idle animations. So yeah, if you want a part 2 of this video explaining more in depth, leave me a comment or find me on one of my social medias. Thank you for watching.